Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today on Saturday, September the 26th, 2020. Yes, September the 26th. We have only one regular Sudoku. Let me zoom this out. Yes, I need a clear picture of this Sudoku. It's only one regular medium Sudoku today, and this will be a number 1622. Yes. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me see. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15 plus 2 is 17 plus 3 is 20. 23 plus 4 is equal to 27. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku in additional, this will be a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We see A2 in this column, A2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And then A2 in the third column, A2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number? The number 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And then A6 in the first column, A6 in the second column, so in the third column, only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, then an 8 in this column, the third column, 8 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so in the column between, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see. No, need to wait. How about this big square? 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. 9, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 1, 3, 4, 3. Okay. We see here 4 in this row, a 4 in the last row, so in the row between, only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 5 in this row, 5 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then one, 3. 1, 3, 7, 4. Well. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Or there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Or there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So in the third row, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, we have a 4 over there. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 3 and the 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. Third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 7 and 8. These 2 numbers in this row are reserved for the 7 and the 8. 7 and the 8. That means 1 box left in this big square. 7 and the 8. This should be the number 9. 9. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Then Yeah. 4. How about 1, 7? No. These two boxes in this big square are reserved for the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them because it's a pair. How about these two numbers in this row? The 7 and the 3. 7 and a 3. No. 7 and a 3. No. I cannot fill this yet. How about these two numbers? 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a pair here. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. That means 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. 1 digit left in this row for the number 7. So 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 7 should be there. 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 3. 2, 8. 2, 8 and a 3. No, I cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in the second column for the number 1. 1 number left in the first column for the number 3. These two boxes are reserved for the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them for you. These two numbers, the 1 and the 1 and 8. No, we have an 8 here. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be here. These two numbers, the 4 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 1 box left in this last column for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 5. These two should be the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. How about these two numbers, the 1 and the 8? We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you the next time with the quintuplet or the extra Sudokus in the additional. So see you later. Bye bye for now.